Welcome back everyone. This is just a short video just showing how to ask some aspatial queries, asking altitude at particular points. We've got 2 points that are mentioned in the handout, Furnace Creek and Stovepipe Wells. You can see I've loaded the digital elevation model here, and in the handout I mentioned the identify tool, which is this little blue eye up here. Or we can click around on the screen and identify height at particular locations on the digital elevation model. So we're just retrieving information at these particular locations. Obviously the digital elevation model doesn't contain place names, so we want to find out where some of these places are. And I can do that simply by adding from ArcGIS Online, using add data and add data from ArcGIS Online. I can add the topographic map. So like ArcGIS Online that we were using last week, I can search for topographic map, and I can add the USGS topo maps there, clicking on add, and we can find out where Furnace Creek is. Notice at the bottom it's loaded underneath, and we can see where Furnace Creek is. We know it's down here somewhere near Death Valley Ranch. There it is, Furnace Creek, and the other location, Stovepipe Wells, is actually just up here. We could have searched for these on Google Maps to find out the locations if we didn't know where they are. What I want to do is I'm going to use the interrogate icon to interrogate the database and find out where these are. If we try to interrogate these online datasets from ArcGIS Line over the internet, it can take quite a long time. So you notice that in the identify tool we have the ability to select from particular layers, the topmost layer, visible layers, selectable layers, etc., all layers. We would just want to interrogate the digital elevation model, but we're using the topographic map to guide us in determining the locations. If I want to find out what the altitude at Stovepipe Wells is, I just simply click on the map at Stovepipe Wells, and there we have it, an elevation of around about 21.35 meters at that location. I can then move over to Furnace Creek Inn and repeat the process again. I can just simply click on Furnace Creek Inn and retrieve the altitude, 11.61 meters, so a little bit above sea level. We can see the line of sea level running along there on the map next to it, and then all there is to this particular exercise.